You might have heard the word called gratitude many times in your life. Do you know the exact meaning of this word? Do you know in a simpler language what gratitude means? So, the gratitude means to simply telling that I am grateful to whatever you want to be grateful for. Or, in a simpler phrase, it is called a thank you. You can say this phrase anywhere, whatever way you want to be grateful for. Is it easy to say thank you? Saying thank you is a little bit difficult for some because we never feel satisfied in our life and we keep on setting one goal after another, and then we think that we still must achieve so many things in our life. We have so many milestones for us to achieve. For being thankful, we have to stop a bit. Stop doesn't mean you have to literally stop everything. It means that for a moment, you have to stop doing any action. Hold yourself and say thank you. For easier practice of gratitude, you can keep a particular time in your day in which you decide to just pay your gratitude to the things or doings on that particular day. What happens when we pay gratitude? Your energy shifts drastically. When practicing the gratitude, you are in a place where you are giving and receiving both at the same time. When you are paying or giving thank you to the universe, at the same time, at the same moment, universe is returning back in the form of energy. When you are receiving a good energy shift, meaning you can feel a shift in the body in terms of feeling good. When you receive good energy in your body, this brings change from your root level. Means you are attracting those things which matches your vibrations. Means if you have positive vibration, you will receive whatever positive you are looking in your life for. Or if you have negative vibrations, you start receiving more negativity in your life. This is how one of the universal law, which is called law of attraction, works. So do we have to say thanks to the universe and God only? Except God, you can say thanks to any person, anything, animal, or anything else in your life you want to say thank you for. The more you are thankful, the more your energy will shift positively. For example, you can say thank you to your vehicle, your pet. It all depends on you. When saying thank you, you can start thinking for your necessity, followed by the material things you possessed. So now let's see how to practice gratitude step by step. First of all, stop doing anything. Take a deep breath. Firstly, thanks to the 5 most essential elements which are part of your existence. These are earth, air, water, sun, akash or sky. You can say thank you to the earth for holding us with its gravity. Where we are on the earth without the gravity, life could be chaos. Thank further for providing us the things to sustain our life on this planet. You can say thank you to the sky or akasha for holding us between the solar system, our planet into the universe, rotating at a precise speed that life on earth is not disturbed. So it helps in making our life easier on this planet irrespective of the movement. You can say thank you for the water, which includes all the water bodies on the earth, lakes, water streams, waterfalls, rivers, and of course the source of the fresh drinking water for our drinking purposes. You can say thank you to the air you breathe in, as without it, you cannot live more than a few seconds. So this is the most crucial part of our survival. Followed by saying thank you to the sun because it gives light and life on the earth. If sun is not there, we can't have any crops, no clouds, no rainwater, no energy system, and maybe a few other things which we don't know yet. After saying thank you to these big things and essential things, you can move to the next part of saying thank you. You can say thank you for the food you have, the fruits, the vegetables, the drinking water, and any other thing you want to thank for. You can start saying thank you for your body and your body parts individually, because without any of it, human survival would be a challenge. Say thank you to your family, friends, relatives, and moreover to your enemies. Of course, to whom you consider as your enemy or competitor or whatever you want to name them. Say thank you to them, because without them, you won't be able to sustain yourself. We need some people to push us so that we can go beyond our comfort zone. So these enemies are the hidden friends, the one who pushes us to go beyond our comfort zone to achieve the highest potential of us. So now thank you for all your mistakes and give yourself forgiveness for making all those mistakes, followed by thanking for all your achievements during this lifetime or maybe during the day. You are being grateful to say thanks to God that you have plenty of opportunities to help people and receive help from people. So it's a cycle in which you give and then you receive. Without giving, you can't receive, and without receiving, you can't give. While doing all these practices regularly for a little time, for example, maybe for 10 days or up to a month, you will see great shift in your thought process. And you will notice many things are adding up into the list of your gratitude and to the things for which you can be grateful for. So this is the power of gratitude. So I pay my gratitude to you because of your patient listening and understanding. I would highly appreciate if you can share with those people who need it. Remember, when we give, we receive. So thank you.